Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Folding Brackets is probably one of the most versatile and robust solutions for your DIY projects and home improvement needs, offering unparalleled strength and stability for shelving, furniture construction, and various other applications. In this video, we will delve into the features, functionalities, and overall value of heavy-duty folding brackets, helping you make an informed decision for your next project. Number 5. CLT 20-foot folding shelf brackets. It's made of premium stainless steel, so there's no paint to chip or peel. The brushed surface resists scratches and corrosion, built to last. These folding brackets are perfect for any DIY project. Fold them away when not in use to save valuable space in your home or garage. They're simple to mount, just ensure they're straight on the studs. All the necessary mounting hardware, including screws and anchors, is included. With a 20-inch design and triangle structure, they can hold up to 550 pounds. Use them to create a workstation, shelf, or even a sturdy table. We offer a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Your purchase is completely risk-free, we'll refund or replace them if you're not satisfied. What we like. It's made of premium stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. Its robust design supports up to 550 pounds, perfect for heavy-duty applications. If you need a strong, space-saving solution for your workshop or garage, this is the ideal choice. What people say. These are heavy-duty and nice and sturdy. We used them to hold up a thick butcher's block shelf piece on the end of our kitchen island. It works great. I used these for an outfeed table on my table saw. Attached these to the side of the saw and put a plywood top on them. I can lift up my outfeed as needed and easily store it away to make more room in my small shop. Smooth action and were easy to install. Love the finish. These are not cheap metal, they are durable steel, precision functioning brackets with solid, smooth enamel finish. Folded up, they add only 3-4-inch standoff from the wall surface to the thickness of the shelf material used. These will accommodate wood, aluminum, steel, and even stone shelving as long as appropriate hardware is used to hang them on a wall or piece of furniture. Number 4. Folding shelf brackets. These folding brackets are perfect for small spaces. Mount them on any wall to create extra shelving in your garage, kitchen, or anywhere you need it. Made from premium stainless steel, it's built to withstand daily use. They resist scratches, corrosion, and will look great for years to come. With a 550 pounds weight capacity, it can easily handle your heaviest items. The sturdy triangle design ensures stability for all your shelving needs. These brackets are simple to install and use. The easy-to-use lever makes folding and unfolding a breeze, and they even work with pipes. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions, our customer service team is here to help. We perform rigorous quality checks before shipping. What we like. This option excels in space optimization, ideal for smaller areas. The polished stainless steel construction guarantees longevity and a sleek look. If you value ease of installation and a compact design, this is perfect for you. What people say. These brackets work perfectly, and since they fold, I can lower the shelf when not needed. My wife wanted a shelf in the laundry area that would fold down if not in use. I had a shelf made to fit, banded on all sides, and installed it using these brackets and stainless lag bolts. It is solid, looks good, and works well. Quality shelf brackets used for a Rectech Deck Boss 590 folding shelf upgrade. No modifications needed to the pellet smoker. Simply removed the 4 screws on the front and used the folding shelf brackets. Perfect fit, holes lined up exactly. Was able to use a leftover stair tread, 11.25 in x 36 inches unfinished pine, from a previous project. Cut to 25.5 and stained and sealed. Used number 10x34 wood screws to attach to the folding brackets. Couldn't be happy with the end result. Number 3. Folding shelf brackets. It can be used in various places, such as garages, kitchens, or even boats. Transform any space into a functional area with these versatile brackets. They fold neatly against the wall when not in use, saving valuable space. Simply press the release arm to collapse the unit. With a strong triangle design, they can hold up to 177 pounds per pair. They're perfect for heavy-duty use and will last for years. Made of high-quality metal with a black painted surface, they are resistant to scratches and corrosion. They're built to withstand daily use and look great doing it. Everything you need for installation is included. Just follow the simple instructions, and you'll have a sturdy shelf in minutes. What we like. Maximize your space with its foldable design, perfect for apartments or areas with limited space. The sturdy triangle structure ensures stability and durability. If you prioritize a simple, yet effective, space-saving solution, this is a great option. What people say. I used this to make a small, fold-down table shelf on a wall. The shelf folds flat against the wall, and we roll the air conditioner into place. Super easy. After the air conditioner is put away in fall, the shelf snaps up, giving me space to fold laundry, to work on projects, to charge devices or whatever else you might need counter space for. I was able to choose the shelf material based on intended use and budget. The brackets functioned smoothly, and it wasn't hard to get them installed level and get the shelf finished. It is sturdy, and won't fold down against the wall until I push the release mechanisms on both brackets. I used these brackets and an old lap table that I've had for ages to make my son a little school desk that can fold away when not in use. The brackets are surprisingly very strong and easy to assemble. You can't even see the brackets because they're hidden under the table, so it looks very nice. Does exactly what it is supposed to. I was able to build a desk that completely folds up. Solid construction. Number 2. Ultrawall 24 Folding Shelf Brackets. It's perfect for your workbench, garage, or even your RV. Keep your tools organized and easily accessible, wherever you need them. When not in use, it folds away neatly, saving valuable space. The secure locking mechanism ensures stability and safety. Made from powder-coated steel, it's built to last. This strong and rust-resistant bracket can hold up to 550 pounds. Setup is quick and simple. We include all the necessary hardware and easy-to-follow instructions. If you have any questions, our team is here to help. Contact us for assistance with installation or any other concerns. What we like. This bracket boasts a patented design for superior flexibility and space-saving capabilities. The powder-coated steel ensures exceptional durability and resistance to damage. If you need a strong, easy-to-install, and space-saving solution, this is a great choice. What people say. So far, they have been very stable when open, easy to install, and easy to close. The bracket is thick and heavy. It says it will hold over 500 pounds. It was installed in the garage as a temporary workbench, but after using it for several months, I am keeping it there as a space-saving workbench. It is a beast. I needed to reach something high that caught fire and didn't have time to grab the ladder, so I climbed up on the shelf to knock down the flame. The shelf brackets held my weight and didn't even flinch with my 225 pounds standing on it. My expectations were low given the application. I envisioned a workbench in my small shed that could fold away when not in use. I used 3 4-inch ply on a 2 foot by 6 foot 2 by 4 frame, which combined, is pretty heavy. But remarkably it is quite sturdy with little or no flex on either axis. Number 1. TopDirect Lock Extension Bracket. These sturdy brackets are perfect for adding support to tables, beds, or any folding furniture. They're made from high-quality steel and are incredibly easy to use. Each bracket is made from durable steel plate, capable of holding up to 500 pounds. They're built to last and withstand heavy use. These brackets feature a convenient self-locking mechanism. This ensures they stay securely in place at a 90-degree angle, making them safe and reliable. Installation is a breeze. Each bracket comes with 10 screws for a secure and sturdy fit. See how easy it is in our installation video. They're ideal for extension tables, beds, folding workbenches, and even folding doors. Use them in any project where you need strong, reliable support. Measuring just 63 by 68 by 54 mm, they're compact enough for easy storage when not in use. The self-locking feature makes folding and unfolding a simple process. What we like. Its self-locking mechanism ensures stability and safety. Each bracket supports up to 500 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty projects. If you need a versatile, heavy-duty, and self-locking solution for various applications, this is the one for you. What people say. I built my daughter a custom wooden bounce back and I used the for the legs so it's foldable and storable. These have worked well and held up well. I keep the bounce back in the front yard and these have been rained on and, in the elements, they seem to be holding up well and no rust. These were a great addition to add hinging legs to my car sleeping platform. The hinges are sturdy, but the screws suck. I grew out their screws and used stainless steel ones I had laying around. For the ones that broke off into the wood, I used a metal drill bit and drilled new holes next to the factory ones on the drill press. For someone who doesn't have a fully outfitted shop like I do, they might be screwed. You can drill out the screw shaft and plug the hole and try again, but that weakens the wood, hence I decided to drill new holes in the hinge. Anyway, there is a bit of slop in the hinge where I can move my leg side to side ever so slightly, but that's fine for my purposes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.